In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious apple overnight oatmeal recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need half cup of oats, quarter cup of shredded apple, half a cup of milk, quarter cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the shredded apple, yogurt, milk, maple syrup, and the chia seeds and mix until completely combined. Add in the oats and continue mixing. Once combined, transfer to a jar. Secure with lid. We're going to place this in the fridge overnight. Top with shredded apples. Our apple overnight oatmeal is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.